Hi guys, in this video we're addressing the problem of TikTok followers not showing up. So if you are encountering this problem, then let's get started and navigate through the solutions together. Alright, so start by giving your TikTok app a little refresh, just close it and then reopen it again. Sometimes this simple action can clear up any issue causing the follower display issue. So next up, let's make sure your TikTok app is up to date. So head over to your App Store or Play Store and check if there's a newer version available. Since as you all may know, outdated versions might have some bugs that could mess with how your followers are shown. So stay on top of those updates. Then next is you might want to check your privacy settings. So make sure they've set to allow others to see your followers. So to do this, go to privacy and settings and then pick who can see the people you're following and who can see your followers. Now, if you've tried all this and the problems stick around, then it might be time to get a little help. So just reach out to TikTok support for the extra assistance. And that's it. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.